Well, this is not a very good update. Did I kill the coconut? I don't know what I did wrong. I protected it. I put it inside during the winter. I did take it out when we had some wind and a couple cooler nights. I don't think that's enough. I did fertilize it. Did I poison it? It still has one green stalk. I think he's going to live, but boy, did I beat it up. I shouldn't say that. I don't know if he's going to live. Maybe just inside for too many days without sun. But not a good update for the coconut. Alive but struggling.